guys. How is it going? As you can see from the title, oh no, I swear this car tests my patience. It really does. Remember a few weeks back, I had the problem with the F and the car's dead. Well, if you look, it's again, and it's just completely dead. Nothing. So, right, I put a post up on the Facebook pages to try and ask if anybody can help. And there's a guy who messaged me called Chris. He actually deals with this sort of thing with these. Chris Kellerman. If you watch him out, I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. He can supply me another ECU, because basically my ECU's dead. It's had it. They're quite common on these, and it's just unfortunate mine's decided to go. When I first got the car about a month after owning it, it done it briefly, and I locked the car and locked it, unlocked it, and it was sorted itself out for something. I just never thought about it again. I didn't realise what the F was at the time. Obviously then a few weeks back, it done it again. I've tried doing the relays and that this time, it's no different. So yeah, it's before you all guys, oh, it's the map. It's not the map, it's the ECU. They are so common on these. Apparently, I was chatting to Chris, apparently something inside the ECU actually goes. So what I'm gonna have to do now is I'm gonna take my ECU off, get it to Chris, and he can supply me one and clone my one onto the new one. And so I won't have to mess around having basically the car, taking the car back to Chris, having the map put back on, because it basically transfers everything across apparently. But we'll see. I just hope it is that, because if it's not that, then I'm at a complete loss, guys. But we'll find out in today's video if it fixes it or not. So I'm going to get the ECU off now, which I don't really want to do. It's a ball ache, but here's what it is, guys. This car, man. I should have kept the Corsa. I should have kept the Corsa. I didn't have this much problems with that. Oh, right. Crack on. Right then, luckily it's happened in my garage, so it's no drama. I ain't got to worry about the car leaving the car on the road, on the street and that. So obviously this is the ECU down here, so I need to get this off. So luckily, it's obviously because it's on a bracket and stuff, it should make my life a little bit easier this time. I hope anyway. So I want to take it off the inlet, take these two earth straps off, try and pull it away from the car, give myself a bit more access. I'm not overly sure how these come off, these connectors. I've just messaged Chris just to ask him, double check. There seems to be, to me, there's two. There's sort of like one at the top there and then one there. So I don't want to start forcing things and breaking anything. So I'll wait for Chris to get back to me before I unplug anything. But yeah, obviously I've disconnected the battery as well. I did try disconnecting the battery, leaving it for a bit and reconnecting it. It didn't work, so right, crack on. Right then, as you can see, we are off. Legend Chris for showing me how to do it. Basically, to unclip the, just trying to get one out. So basically, I don't know if you guys can see it. See, there's like two tabs at the bottom. So if you want to unclip your ECU, literally just you push that down. There's supposed to be some sort of clip here in the middle, but you push down and then obviously it just goes over, and then obviously it pops off then like that. But yeah, so we're ready to go. I just need to get off the bracket now, take that off, and then get it up to him. Whether I'm going to post it or drive it up to him, he's about an hour and a half away, so I don't know. I'll have to speak to my boss to see if he'll let me use the van. Yeah, so I'm going to unbolt this now and ready to go. So great, it's just you know what I mean. I really hope this solves it. I really do. And I just hope it permanently fixes it, because I can't keep doing this. Like I said, luckily the car's in the garage, so it's not like last time it's just in the road. So that's what worried me the most. I didn't want to leave the car out. So yeah, let's get this off and I'll decide what I'm doing. Right then, as you can tell, I decided to bring my ECU up. Got the go-ahead from the gaffer so I could use the van. Yeah, I've just dropped it to him now. He says it's going to be about 30 to 40 minutes to basically clone the ECU to a new one. Now I'm hoping this solves it. I really am. We'll see. If it doesn't work, then I'm at a complete loss, guys. My guess is as good as yours, so we'll see. I'm not too sure if I'm going to be fitting it tonight, because they say it's dark and it's raining. It's now like, it's only 4:30 now. It's took me an hour and a half to get here. So by the time I get back, it'll be about 6:30, 7:15. I'm not down for working on the car. I'll do it tomorrow. So what'll probably happen now, I won't get back to you now till tomorrow when I fit it. and keep everything crossed for me, guys. At this minute, cross all your fingers, all your toes, your legs, your arms, everything, that it works. So let's go. Right, I've fitted the new ECU. I've bottled all the obviously earth straps up and everything else. So I hope this works. I really do. Right, let's put the battery back on. Oh, come on, come on. Oh. Oh. No, nothing. Oh. I don't know what to say. Well, that was a waste of time, wasn't it? Great. Just great. Right, I'm gonna try. I've got one more trick up my sleeve that I've been advised to do, is run a earth directly from the battery to the ECU, and we'll see if that works. I'm gutted, guys. What am I gonna do? Well, I'm gonna try that now, and if that doesn't work, then pass. Right, I've run the earth from the battery to the ECU. Now, I don't think this is going to work. I'm going to be shocked if it does. I know it used to work on the old the GSRs and the Corsa Cs and stuff. That used to be a thing, but we'll find out. Still got F there. No. Wow, that didn't work. I'm at a loss. I need your help, guys. I need any of you good with electrics on these. I've checked all the grounds, all the relays are fine, all the fuses are fine, ECU's obviously fine. And I feel I can hear the fuel pump priming as well. Well, I don't know. I've replaced the ECU. Relays are fine. Fuses are fine. The grounds are fine. Everything's fine. Also, the car was running fine when I parked it up. I left it for a couple of days and it's just dead. The battery's brand new, so I need your help. I really do. Can anyone help me, please? Comment down below, or if you're local to Worcester, well, between Worcester and Birmingham, that'd really help. But I don't know what to do at the minute, guys. I think that's going to be it for this video until I can get it sorted, or I might have to get it trailered down to an auto electrician. I just don't know what to do at the minute, guys. So yeah, as always, guys, if you could help me, I'll be really grateful. I really would. So fingers crossed on the next video the car's running, so I'll see you then. I'm just in the middle of editing this video now, so I'll put a bit of an update on the video as well. Chris, who did my ECU, he's coming down next weekend. He's convinced we should be able to get it sorted, because obviously I'm having no luck at all. So he's offered to come down from Nottingham and have a look at my car, which is like really good of him. So fingers crossed next weekend we'll be sorted. So pray for me, guys, and you'll see on the next video what happens.